This is Alexander Vera for week 6, CIS 126M, Python for Ed Carthon. This week we were supposed to find the program, this type of algorithm, basically for finding the greatest common denominator, make rules for your own program. Practice things like that using this algorithm. I understand it when it's taught to me in a math class, but when it comes to trying to actually put it into a formula for programming, I had a hard time finding a way for myself to do it. So there was a part on YouTube that showed me a simple algorithm for that, which I guess it was because I wasn't using the return A part in order for it to like equal out. So that part I borrowed. This part right here I borrowed from online, and I think it was mainly because I was missing this and this. It all equals out. Works every time. So this part, I borrowed, but it worked out. That's the def. And starting off the program, made a variable which was true, and then while it was true, it was like, do you want to find greatest common denominator of two numbers, yes or no? Answer equals to user's input. I started putting it this way because I noticed after I was running it down here, it would leave an extra little comment, saying none, and I wanted to get rid of that, so I changed it a little bit this way. And then if the answer equal to yes, it would run through and enter inputs for A and B, and then it would run this def right here for A and B with the input from the user, and then it would print it out, and then it would run back again and ask the same question again because con was still true. If else if the answer was no, con would be set to false, exiting the loop, and it would print out. Press enter to exit, user would exit. If the user didn't print anything, if the user didn't print yes or no, it would ask the user to input the correct statement, or please enter yes or no. So when it's ran, if you typed in yes, it would ask for A, so let's say 68, let's say 5, the answer would come back as 1. Excuse me if I sound sniffling. And if you wanted to continue, you hit yes again. Let's say 14, and then let's say 28. The greatest common denominator would be 14. Let's say I put in K. Please enter yes or no. I. Please enter yes or no. 0. Please enter yes or no. No. Press enter to exit. And now it's the program. Fairly easy and simple. The only part I had trouble with was this right here. Use this part. This was a little bit different. If anything, yeah, that's about it. Writing it this way. Another little thing was I could have put a break here, and I played with that a little bit. Instead of having a con equaling false, I could have put a break, and it would have did the same thing of exiting the program. But I thought, just for the sake of this right here, I would just have it equal false. I didn't see the it did the same thing, but for the just I guess clarity, or kind of keeping in line with this right here, I made it to where it would equal false and exit out itself. Added some comments, the way the program is supposed to, the beginning of the program saying everything. So thank you for your time.